Hello, I'm Annika, and I've been doing coding for 2 years. And the modules I've done in the past are like block coding, so like Scratch and Code.org, and I've done Python and website designing, and now I'm doing JavaScript. So I would like to share this guess the number game I did. So let me share my screen and then I can show you guys my game. Okay, so this is the game. It's guess the number. So let me click run, and it says we have selected a random number between 1 and 20. Can you guess? If you want another random number, run the game again. So I'm going to enter a guess, and I'm going to enter 12, and then I'll submit the guess. And it says, oops, your number is less than the random number. So I'm going to try 20. Then it says, oops, your number is greater than the random number. So let's try 15. Okay, I guess I didn't get it. So it's 15 through 20. So try 17. It says it's less, so it either has to be 18 or 19. And I'm going to try 18. And then, so it has to be 19. Let's see it. And it says, congrats, you won. You are a fantabulous guesser. So, yeah, that's my guess the number game.